Hi, I'm Brian Elliott, and I'm the yard manager here at Caribou Creek Log Homes in Bonners Ferry, Idaho. My family and I, we lived in Yakima, Washington, where I was born and raised. And my wife and I have 6 beautiful children, and we were left with a decision of really where do we want to plant some roots for our kids and where we wanted to launch them off for life. And so we started looking, and we thought Idaho would be the place to come, and so we started looking for property. And as we were looking for property up and down all over the place, we saw Caribou Creek Log Homes. And my wife and I have always loved log homes. We've always wanted one, and so we really started thinking, wow, that might be a great fit. I grew up working construction. I love to work with my hands. That might be the place to be working. And so put in an application, and next day got a job interview offer, and so came up and had an interview, got hired, and here I am now. So my role here at Caribou Creek has changed a little bit. I started out on the construction side of things and then was moved into the yard to help oversee the production of the homes and just the things happening in the yard, pretty much from logs coming in to the logs being crafted to put into the home and then shipped out. And so my job is to help oversee that, help manage things coming in and going out, and hopefully helping make a good flow of things. And so that way we can have a good product in a timely manner and be able to oversee that is pretty much what I do. My favorite part about Caribou Creek working here, it's kind of a multifaceted answer, I guess, to that. And so starting out, it really encapsulates 3 of my loves. And one of those loves is building things, creating things. Ever since I was a kid, I loved to build things. My dad was a carpenter, and so that's just the kind of the trade that I went into. And so I love creating things with my hands. Secondly, I love running a chainsaw. And so to be able to put those 2 together is kind of just a perfect match. And then on top of that, I love people. And so being able to work with pretty much from the owners to the office staff and then also to the guys in the yard, it's just a wonderful place to work, and the people are wonderful. So I really get to encompass all 3 of those things. So to be able to come to work in each and every day, it's truly a joy.